Hi, my name is Jess and I'm presenting on manganese, which is a trace mineral. It's an essential nutrient used in a lot of functions of the body, like the nervous system, the brain, and enzyme systems. It aids in processing of cholesterol, protein, and carbs. Your body stores about 10 to 20 milligrams of it in the kidneys, liver, brain, and pancreas. It's found in a lot of naturally occurring foods, all the way from nuts and beans to dark chocolate, some fruits like pineapple, and a lot of whole grains and leafy greens. It has a reputation for contributing to bodily functions, which it holds true to. You can't function without it. It's one of Earth's most common elements. It's also known for its use in steel production. It provides antioxidants, supplements bone health, and helps control blood sugar, especially if you're diabetic. Plant-based diets tend to be rich in manganese because they're plant-based, and manganese is found in plants mainly. And the less water you use when cooking it or preparing it, the better. And manganese-rich foods have a stable shelf life because they don't need to be refrigerated, and it's not found in meats. Something I thought was cool is that it's used to make glass. That's outside of health. Deficiencies are rare in humans because it's so naturally occurring and found in so many foods, but it can cause impaired growth, skeletal defects, low fertility, impaired glucose tolerance, abnormal metabolism, and the deficiencies are addressed with supplements and more manganese-rich foods. Toxicity, you're more likely to overconsume than underconsume. You can inhale it in professions such as welding, which can be dangerous because it can bypass the body's defense mechanisms. So it's neurotoxic in large amounts, but the average person isn't at risk of overexposure. Thank you.